To verify your Remitly account, follow these steps. Understand verification requirements. Verification is necessary to comply with financial regulations and to increase your sending limits. You may need to provide identification documents and personal details depending on the amount you intend to send or your location. Log into your account. Use the Remitly app or visit the Remitly website. Sign in with your registered email and password. Access the verification section. Go to your account settings or click on a notification prompting you to verify your account. Provide personal details. Enter your full name, date of birth, and address as required. Ensure these match the details on your identification documents. Upload identification documents. Submit a government-issued ID, such as a passport, driver's license, or national ID card. For higher sending limits, you may need to provide additional documents, such as proof of address. Submit and wait for approval. Upload the documents and submit your information. Verification usually takes a few hours but can take up to 48 hours. Remitly will notify you via email or app once verification is complete.